Hello, my name is Cheryl Waters, and I just want to thank you so much for taking a little time out of your day and to be here. I am super excited about being one of the newer members of the Gel Press creative team. And in the upcoming months, I'm thrilled to be sharing with you more about the art of well-being. The project that I plan on sharing with you today surrounds that subject, the art of well-being, and it's something that's near and dear to my heart. Just wanted to also mention that when I was going through my breast cancer journey and through treatment, surgery, I can never express my gratitude for the circle of support that I had. Some of you watching here were a part of that circle, and I am forever grateful. I always say that faith, family, and friends got me through, and that it was through prayer, support, and encouragement that really lifted me up and helped my journey to be much smoother and easier. I'm thrilled that Gel Press and the National Breast Cancer Association are making a difference in the fight against breast cancer. And as many of you know, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and Gel Press came out with an awesome gel plate in the shape of an awareness ribbon. And not only can this be used in the month of October for breast cancer awareness, but it can also be used in future months for other awareness campaigns and other causes and other things. So it's an amazing tool, and I'm excited to share with you how I've used it. Which brings me to sharing about this special gift that I received when I was going through chemotherapy. I received it from a precious friend. Her name is Natalie, and she passed on a Queen of Chemo paper crown to me. And this paper crown was really special because it was signed by other women who went through chemotherapy and through the fight against breast cancer. When they wore this crown, they would each sign their name and sign the dates they started treatment and the dates that they ended treatment. And Natalie gifted me with that Queen of Chemo crown. It was a hit as I sat in the same room as others who were receiving treatment. And it was a lot of talk amongst the nurses and the oncologists. And it was just really special because it really reminded me that I had a tribe that was there pushing me along, and that these other brave women went before me. And it just was a really special gift that encouraged me. So I thought it only appropriate that I create a Queen of Chemo crown using the awareness ribbon gel plate as well as another gel press plate. And the crown that I received from Natalie, I've since passed on. I'd like to say that I wish there was a cure for breast cancer and I wouldn't have had to pass that crown on, but I did pass it on to another brave warrior who went through chemotherapy, and I thought it was time that I make a new one. So I think this gift, whoever receives it in the future, it will be just that, an encouragement. And maybe you want to make your own to pass on to somebody. I hope you enjoy this project and this video. And you also see on the Gel Press platforms, both on Instagram, on Facebook, and on their website, some great ideas on how to use that ribbon plate and the awareness ribbon plate. And you also see on their website, it's $9.99, a great tool to create cards with, and I created a hat, and we've had some just awesome projects on there that you want to check out. So thanks again so much. Take care, and warmest creative wishes. Bye.